Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about vectors. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. They just provide P1 is about the point of the segment P1, P2. We know that the midpoint P is on SZ plane. Because that is on SZ plane, so we know that y should be equal to number 0. P number 2 is about s equal to number 5 and z equal to number 8. So we know that B2 in this situation, we just know that's about 5, y, and 8. So if we want to find the value of y in here, so we know that y plus the value of number 2 of P1 divided by 2, because that's about the midpoint, that's why we divide by 2 equal to 0, because the midpoint as y equal to 0, so we can find the value of y in here equal to negative number 2. So the value in here we can put that's about negative number 2. Now let's go to the midpoint P. So we know that we have 5 and negative number 1, so we can find the value of s. That should be about negative number 1 plus 5 divided by 2. You got about 2. About z, we have number 8 and we have number 5. 8 plus 5, you got about 13 over 2. So the value of the point P in here, we can get that should be about 2, 0 and 13 over 2. And that's the answer of P2 and P in here. Now let's go to raw. This is origin in here. This is about x. This is about y, and that's about z. So we have location negative number 1 to 5. So that should be about in here somewhere. And we have negative number 1, 2, that's about y, and number 5 in here. So the ball we need to find, that should be somewhere in here. So that's we call the point in here, that's about point P1. Now let's go to the point P2. We got about 5, negative number 2 and 8. So number 5 that should be in here. Negative number 2 that should be in here. And number 8 that should go up in here. And now we can find the point B number 2. Next, that's about P. We got about 2, 0 and 13 over 2. So that should be in here, 0 in here, and 13 over 2 somewhere in here. Oh, number 8 should be in here somewhere, sorry. Two, 0 and 13 over 2. You got about somewhere in between 2, 4 in here. Make sure that 2 balls they connect together somewhere in here, because that's about midpoint, so that should be between 2 balls in here. And this is about point P, and the plane SZ, that should be about this plane. I use different color in here. And this will be on the plane SZ. That's the end. Thank you for watching.